Hi everyone. Today my recipe tomato sauce. This is very tasty. You can use it homemade tomato sauce for more dishes with homemade ingredients. Take 2 kg of tomatoes. Tomatoes should be in red color only. Then only we can get a red color sauce. Wash well with more water and add some salt while washing. Then cut into small pieces. It will cook easily. For 2 kg tomato, you can get 750 grams of tomato sauce. Cut all the tomatoes, then transfer to big vessel. Then take a small beetroot, peel it and then cut into small pieces. This will give the sauce a good color. Then add for 2 kg I took 2 small onions. We should add mild masala to this tomato sauce. Add it to tomato. Now add 2 garlic cloves and 2 bay leaves and 4 cloves and 1 black cardamom and few inch of cinnamon and add 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix well, then cook until soft. Do not add more masalas, it will dominate the masala. Some tomato sauce, always tomato sauce having a sweet tasty. That's why we should add mild masalas. Meantime, mix well while cooking. It will when it will turn to soft, then keep aside for cool down. Cool down completely. You can cook tomatoes morning or afternoon and leave it for 5 to 6 hours. It will cool. Then transfer to mixie jar. Batch wise we should grind these tomato. We have 2 kg of tomato. That's why. And remove the bay leaves. Do not grind the bay leaves. Now grind the tomato as fine paste. Now strain it. It will take time. So patiently we should do this step. Entire tomato we should strain, grind and strain. It will take time. Batch wise we should grind and we should strain this entire tomato. Then only we can get soft and smoothy tomato sauce. Once entire tomato got a sauce, it will not strain. Now we should take patience. Now ready the tomato sauce, then transfer to big vessel. Take big vessel only, then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 100 grams of sugar. Then half cup of vinegar. I am going to add in this step only. Some people add at the end of the recipe. I am using here synthetic vinegar. This is enough to this tomato sauce or green chili sauce or any sauce. We can use this synthetic sauce, synthetic vinegar. Now cook 20 to 25 minutes. It will turn to thickens. Stir continuously. Our tasty salt is now ready. It turns to thicken. This is the perfect consistency. You can check the consistency is enough or not. Take a few drops of tomato sauce in a plate. Then it will slowly flow it. Then only it will ready. Cool down. Then store it for 3 months. Next video, momos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.